These days we are getting 2 essays in PTE. So if you are going to take your PTE test very soon, please be prepared that you can get 2 questions for write essay in PTE. Is that something to be afraid about? No, not at all. Now, one of the most common questions which a lot of students ask is, if we get 2 essays, can we follow a same type of structure or template? Obviously, the answer is yes. Why should you worry if the template is working? If you view my video, which I uploaded a few days back on our TikTok channel, you can see how I explained the entire task of essay writing in PT with my template. But please understand that a template without content is useless, right? A vessel without water is useless. Same way, a template without content is useless. So if you want a high score in PT, make sure how to use any template. Now, a few important things which you must note down, and please save this video and share it with your friends as well if you're going to take PT soon. Can you get 2 questions for essay writing? Yes, I already told you. How much time should we take to finish an essay? In my opinion, 14 minutes is a sweet time. In the remaining 6 minutes, you must check your answer for each and every silly mistake. Like after every comma, after every full stop, have you left a space? Have you put the first letter of every sentence in a capital letter? Have you pressed enter once after you finish each paragraph to start the new paragraph on a new line? All these things. Another rookie mistake is a lot of people write more than 300 words. Immediately there will be a penalty. Remember, the word limit as per PTE guidelines is between 200 to 300 words. A sweet spot would be somewhere between 240 to 280 words. Maximum 275 to 280, not more. Also, follow a good structure. Now, before we end this video, a few very important suggestions. Make sure you note them. First, don't repeat the same keywords from the topic sentence 5 to 6 times. Use your common sense. If you repeat words, what will happen? The software will think that you're very weak at writing. It will penalize your content and hence your score will go down. And then you will keep on thinking, I followed the template. Why did I get a poor score? Because you repeated the same topic words again and again. Tip number 2, improve your vocabulary. How? By going and logging on to our website, mockmaster.ai. Every question which is in the prediction file on our portal, there is an answer given as well. You just need to read the sample answers, learn the vocabulary which is academic, and you also need to implement it in compound or complex sentences. Tip number 3, which I already mentioned, keep 3 to 4 sentences really lengthy in the body paragraph. By really lengthy, I mean 20 to 25 words, at least 3 such sentences. That way what will happen is the software will appreciate your writing style. How to make lengthy sentences? Very easy. Use connecting words like and, because, as, which. All these words, basically you start writing a sentence and then you explain it, adding these connecting words. Lastly, work on your collocations. PT has given the PT collocation list for free. It's also available on our website, mockmaster.ai. Why not use it? Write 7 to 8 collocations or phrasal verbs. Some examples are rely on, preference for, in accordance with, according to, conducive to, preference for. All these words increase the writing score. If you like this video, make sure you save it. If you're looking for guaranteed PT, IELTS and NATI CCL training, we offer it in multiple languages. Plus, we also have personal one-to-one guaranteed courses. Guaranteed means we assist you until you get your desired score. We are also running amazing end of financial year sales. So if you are interested, you can call us. The numbers will be there in the comment section. I'm Malcolm from Avon, Australia. Good luck.